Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we started the sorting materials into groups. Okay, in that, objects around us we discussed. So many objects is there in around us. Okay, so different colors, different shapes, object we are collected. All these objects having different shapes and colors, and different uses also there. So, in the last class, we separated that objects by the shapes rectangle, square, and circular. Okay, for suppose football and other materials also. Classroom board, blackboard, that is a square. Okay, so we separated. And today we can do some activities by these objects. Okay, objects and the materials they are made up of. Okay, for suppose collect the so many objects from that collection that are made up of, for suppose some is made up of paper or wood. Okay, and some are made up of, some objects are made up of metals. Okay, like that way we have to separate them. Okay, some is made up, some objects are made up of wood or paper coming from wood only, so that is a one grouping, and other grouping is a metal, for suppose plates. Okay, plate, pen, these are the coming from metals. So like that way we have to grouping the objects. Okay, objects and the materials, objects and the materials they are made up of, they are made of. Okay, we have to take the some objects, and one column is we can separate objects, and another column materials they are made up of, which materials they are using for preparation, made up of that objects. Okay, now many objects is there around us, so try to collecting the information about this many object as possible. Okay, how they are made up of. I will take the some objects. Okay, first column is objects, second column is materials they are made up of, materials they are made up of. Okay, this is two columns. Now we have to take the some objects. For suppose plate or thali, we can call thali. Okay, plate. Okay, plate, how they are prepared, which materials they are using for preparing plates. Okay, materials they are made up of, plate is made up of which material? They will, some plates are steel plates is there in your home. Once you have to observe, some plates are steel plates, some plates are glass, so material is a glass, here steel, and some are the plastic plates also there, plastics, and other material also they will use to the made up of plate. And pen, pen. Okay, pen, how it will be, which materials they are made up of with pen, which materials they are using for made pen? Plastic, by the plastic also they are using, by the plastic they are preparing pen, and metals also they are using, plastics and metals. Not only these two, you have to take these so many objects and how they are made up of, you can list out. Okay, for suppose chappals, shoes is the object, how it is preparing? By the leather. Okay, shoe is preparing by the leather and rubber. Okay, or you have to take the table is prepared by the, for suppose if we have take the table, how it is preparing? Table is prepared by wood, they are using wood material, and plastics also, by the plastic also they are prepare the table. Okay, so these are the, you have to take the, you can collect the information about many object as possible, not only these three. So many object is there, how they are made up of, materials also you can collect. Okay, so this is about the objects and the materials they are made up of. And one more activity, this is a one activity. In your home around us, so in your around so many objects is there. First you have to select that object and which materials they are using to the prepare that object. For suppose gunny bags is there. Okay, jute bags is there, they are using the jute. Like that you have to separate them, grouping into them. Okay, objects and materials they are made up of. And next one, different types of objects that are made from the same material. With one material, different objects they are preparing. We can list out the material and objects, which objects are they are using as a material. Okay, next one. Okay, now do the one activity. In this activity, we can list some common material. Lists some common material around us. Okay, common material. First we have to list some common materials. And now try and think of everyday objects you know. Now try and think of everyday objects you know. Okay, list some common materials. Now try and think of everyday objects. What you know the objects around you. You can try to think about them that are made of that are made mainly of these that are made mainly of these materials and list them in column 2 Here we have to take the two columns. One of the column, what is the activity? In this activity we have to do the list some common materials. Now try and think of everyday objects you know. What you know the objects every day, you have to list the common materials that are made up of mainly of these materials and list them into the column 2. So objects made up of these materials. For suppose wood is there. By the wood so many objects we can prepare. Yes or no? By the wood chair also we can prepare the wood by the wood, and table also we can prepare, and cupboard also we can prepare by the wood, and wheels also we can prepare by the wood. So in the one column we have to take the material, and another column objects with objects made up of these materials. Okay, how many objects are we can prepare, you have to list out. This is a activity. So different types of objects that are made from the same material. Different types of objects that are made from the same material. Okay, I will give the list. Okay, now different types of objects that are made from different types of objects that are made from the same material. Okay, different types of objects that are made from the same material. Okay, we have to list out them. Here first column is the material, second column is the objects made of these materials. Objects made of these materials. These are the two columns. Okay, in the first column we have to take the material. For suppose wood material. Okay, wood. With wood, how many objects are we can prepare? Chair also we can prepare by the wood, and table also we can prepare. Objects, these are the objects, these are the material. This the first column is a material, second column is a objects. Object made up of these materials. Which this material, how many objects are we can prepare? Okay, I am list out. Table, bullock cart, plow, and bullock cart, and its wheels, and with wood also we can prepare the cupboards also we can prepare, beds also we can prepare. Next, second one, paper. Okay, with paper, which objects we can prepare? Books also preparing by paper only. Notebooks, newspaper, toys, calendars. Okay, with paper we can prepare the books, notebooks, newspaper, and toys, calendars, and calendars, etc. Okay, with paper we can prepare these objects. Material is a paper. These objects are prepared by the paper. And leather. Can you guess, with leather which objects we can prepare? With leather we can prepare the belts and shoes. Belts and shoes we can prepare the leather, and chappals also we can prepare by the leather. Okay, so many objects is there. And plastics. Next one, plastics. With the plastics, which materials we can prepare, which objects we can prepare? Number of objects is there around us with plastics. See around you, bottles, and electrical switchboards, fan, tables, buckets, plates, plastic plates also there. Okay, plates, so many objects is there. Okay, this is with the plastics, these objects we can prepare. And cotton. With the cotton also, we can prepare the cloths and beds, mattresses. With cotton we can prepare the cloths and mattresses. Okay, curtains. With curtains also prepared. So this is about the list. You can take the some more material and objects with we can prepare. Okay, you have to put the some more materials around you. This is about the activity of different types of objects that are made from the same material. Different type of objects. Here this is a column, different types of objects that are made by the same material. Okay, you have to list out. This is about the objects and materials, their materials. Okay, from the above table, what we have to understand? Here, what do we understand? What do we find what do we find from this table? Okay, from the above table, what do we find? First, we grouped objects in many different ways. At the starting, we are taking so many objects, okay, in the last class. After that, we then found that objects around us are made up of different materials. At times, an object is made up of a single material. An object could also be made up of many materials. And then again, one material could be used for making many different objects. Okay. First we grouped objects in many different ways. First we grouped objects in many different ways. First we grouped objects in many different ways. Okay, after that we then found that objects around us are objects around us are made up of different materials. Okay, first we grouped the objects in many different ways. We then found objects around us are made up of different material. And at a time, an object is made up of single material. An object could also be made up of many materials. At a time, object is made up of single material, and in the same way an object could also be made up of many materials. Could be made up of many different objects. Okay, so this is about the different types of objects that are made up of from the same material. Here, from the above these two tables, what we have to understand? Objects and the materials they are made up of. That means object is made up of a single material, and objects are made up of different. An object could be made up of many different materials. Okay, sorry, here many materials. An object is made up of a single material, and an object could be made up of many materials. And then again, one material could be used for making of many different objects. With one material we can made different objects also. This is a second table we are already discussed. This is about the sorting material into groups.